Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today
we found the Christmas tree. I'll show you.
Yeah, Eden is so excited. Today we're gonna hang the Christmas tree. So I'm gonna show you what you're gonna be using, and stay tuned and enjoy this video. Actually, we are really confused. We don't know where to put the tree. Because we have a cat right now and we don't even know where we're gonna put this tree. So but we created a small space there.
Yeah, small space right there.
You know, and then because where we used to place our Christmas tree is where we are putting the cat's food is here, water is right and here. The beans. So we don't have any place for anything right now. So anyway guys, we're gonna see how it's gonna be, and yeah, we'll let you know. We don't have any space right now for the Christmas tree, but we're gonna let you know how it's gonna be. We got this one as the first one. This time we bought a very small Christmas tree. We don't want a big one. This one here is the one disturbing us with this house. We don't even know how we're gonna put this Christmas tree.
Hey, Lala. Lala.
Guys, we don't know how this Christmas is going to survive with this cat. It's another step. Yeah, it has like snow. So, there's one, number 2, number 3. If Madam Lala now comes here and sees it, hey, we have no peace in the house again.
And Lala, you need
Our cat is really disturbing us.
No Christmas tree.
Ninja, itaanguka chini.
Good. Schlussel.
Good.
Papa.
Yep.
This is number 2.
Oh, you're using the falsch.
Lala has caca. No, Lala.
This is number 2nd part.
Second part is just good.
Here, ndio huyu amekuja. Ndio huyu. Amekuja kubangaiza, anashindwa what's not happening. Lala! Hey, she has started already. Did you see Lala with the Christmas tree?
Hey! Terrible.
Lala! No.
That is the swing your tree.
So guys, we had to put our cat in the bedroom because it's really disturbing us. And yeah, so here is the Christmas tree. We're gonna be opening this. How do we call it? Kufungua inaitwa jina kizungu. But it's pouring down. And this is the deco. This time we chose the blue color. Yeah, we had gold. Last time we had red. And now we have this blue, and yeah, these are the things we're gonna be decorating with. We're gonna put lights on them. It's gonna be so beautiful. And then we have a Christmas deco here. So this is a carpet for the Christmas tree. But the problem is that we don't have big space. So we're gonna just try and look for a way out to make it look beautiful.
But we'll have dry winter.
These are the things that we have. Yeah. So let's do this.
Papa, see.
Supposed to be opening this thing. See that to drop.
Oh, you record.
Open them now one by one. So that. But Lala's gonna be dancing in this tree. I'm afraid of Lala because she's going to be dancing. We have a cat here who's so stubborn. If I knew this how the cat is, I would not have taken the cat. I'm telling you, you never told me it's gonna be so stubborn with anything. You never told us the cat is gonna be stubborn.
And the cat in the
it's beautiful, but now you can't even put the Christmas tree in peace.
Yes, the Christmas tree was coming.
I hope she's gonna grow up faster.
Monkey mama mia mami oh there's a
Hey, I'll get Homer here. Wait, this.
But our bedroom is not dark. Our bedroom is fine. Don't let us cry. It's not dark.
So guys, here is the tree. As you can see, I don't know if our cat is gonna jump in here. I'm gonna put a pillow there, and then here down it can't come from this side unless jumping from where I'm seated to the Christmas tree. So before putting the lights, we're gonna put our decoration first, and then we're gonna put the lights. So yeah,
Doesn't cut.
mixing, you just don't put one color in one place. You mix them. Like you mix them, yeah. Alafu make sure umeingiza vizuri kwa sababu lala atakuja kuzifuata hizi zianguke chini. So you have to put, like, you don't hang like this one like Adrian is doing. You make sure you go inside with it, like inside well, yeah?
See, I did.
Yeah, like this. So, just...
Oh my gosh. So guys, welcome back to my new video.
So this is how we are doing it.
This is how we're
You'll be
doing it.
keeping quiet, Adrian. Talk.
But we can buy it.
Why?
Why?
Don't be scared. We're not going to put music. You
No,
have
that's
to talk.
why Lala's going to sleep.
No, Lala is coming here. She's locking the door. You know, she'll get angry. This part here, and then it's good like this. Then you just gonna put on the floor. But you have to put the 3 of them first ready. And then stand up. Stand up, please. And hold this one. And then this one also like this. And the bigger one, you're gonna turn it upside down too. Okay. So this is the second step, whereby we just kept our gift box decoration. They look so good. Oh my god, this is the best Christmas decor I've ever done. So let's go to and put the lights now in the Christmas tree, and then we are done. Guys, this is the best Christmas decor I've ever done. It looks so beautiful. Look at it. It looks so beautiful. And down there, as you can see, we have the Christmas box, gifts box. And now we are putting our lights, we're installing our lights there on the Christmas tree. And then we give you the last product. Huh? Forgiveness. So guys, we're done with our Christmas tree, and here it is. It looks so beautiful. So As you can see, here's a Christmas tree. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and to share. And see you in the next one. And Merry Christmas in advance.
Tears were just rolling. I did not even listen to the pastor. The song kept ringing, and the voice.
Don't go to my Christmas tree, Lala.
Exodus. So that reading Exodus 3:7 gave me hope.
That, and you, without knowing it, you were actually meditating.
Yes. So that was my favorite scripture.
That's how she jumps in.
Like when I was a worship.